Hi there. Today we're going to talk you through how our SmartRider system is about to get a lot smarter with the network-wide SmartRider upgrade project. Today, the current SmartRider system supports almost 1 million active card holders, accounts for over 80% of fare-paying trips, and delivers benefits to students, seniors, and concession card holders. The world is changing, which means several upgrades will now be carried out to make your SmartRider system smarter. Software is being upgraded to support new devices and new SmartRider cards, which means you get the choice between using your SmartRider or paying securely with your credit, debit, or mobile devices. New add-value machines and validators will be installed at train stations, onboard buses, and you'll soon start to see these rolled out across the network. This upgrade won't happen overnight, so for now you can continue to tag on with your SmartRider and board your service as normal. Stay tuned for further updates as the upgrade program rolls out.